its education system to Finland's educational concept through the Merdeka curriculum. This system emphasizes freedom in learning, character development, and students' critical thinking skills. In its implementation, students are given more opportunities to explore their interests and talents, while teachers act as facilitators in the learning process. Although there are challenges, such as unequal educational facilities, the Merdeka curriculum is a positive step toward creating a more flexible and enjoyable education system. With proper adjustments, Indonesia's education is expected to produce creative and independent generations.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our discussion podcast. Let me introduce myself. I am Rena, your host who will lead today's discussion. The theme we will discussion is Indonesia adapting Finland curriculum to the Merdeka curriculum. This topic is very interesting because Finland education system is widely known for being flexible, emphasizing character building, and developing critical thinking skills. Indonesia has started to apply several of their principles to the Merdeka curriculum. In addition, today I am accompanied by amazing friends, namely one Aska as the first main speaker, two Ridwan as the second main speaker, three Rafael and as the first response, four Zahradwi as the second response, 5 Raisa as the discussion summaries. Alright, let's move on the first season.
Hello everyone, my name is Azka Ghifari and I am the first speaker. In my opinion, Indonesia started adopting several principles of Finland's education system through the Merdeka curriculums. And then one of them is a more flexible and student-centered learning system. Previously, students were often required to memorize material, but now they are noted and become more active, creative, and able to understand concepts more deeply. In addition, the Merdeka curriculum also gives teachers the freedom to adjust teaching method according to students' needs and to adapt to technological developments in today's era.
Hello everyone, my name is Ridwan and I am the second speaker. I agree with Azka's opinion. British flexibility, the Merdeka curriculum also enhances character development and critical thinking skills. This is similar to Finland education system with focus not only on academic achievement but also on student comfort and well-being in learning. However, in Indonesia, its implementation still face several challenges, such as teacher readiness, school facility, and unequal educational quality across different regions, which are still not evenly distributed or fully efficient.
Hello everyone, I am Rafael as the first responder. I would like to respond to the previous opinions. In my opinion, the Merdeka curriculum is very beneficial because students have more freedom to express themselves and do not feel overly burdened. However, some students still feel confused because the learning methods are different from the previous curriculum.
In my response, that is absolutely true, since it is still the adoption stage. Many students and teachers need time to adjust. However, if implemented properly, this system can make learning more enjoyable and meaningful.
I am Zahra Dwi as the second respondent. I also agree. In my opinion, learning system that put too much pressure on students can make them quickly lose interest. With the Merdeka curriculum, students are given more opportunities to develop their talents and individual abilities.
That opinion is very accurate. The Merdeka curriculum is designed so that students are not only academically intelligent but also have strong character, creativity, and teamwork skills.
And the last, I am Raisha, clarification on summary. From today's discussion, it can be concluded that Indonesia has started adapting its education system to Finland's educational disciplines to the Merdeka curriculum. This curriculum emphasizes flexible learning, character development, creativity, and critical thinking skills. Although there are still challenges in its implementation. Alright everyone, let's conclude our podcast discussion today about Indonesia adapting Finland curriculum to the Merdeka curriculum. Thank you to all the speakers and listeners who have participated in today's discussion until the end. Hopefully, today's discussion has broadened our knowledge and provide useful insight for all of us. I am